Get ready to discover some mind-blowing facts about our world. Fact number 1. Did you know that more than 80% of the ocean is unexplored? That's right, we know more about the surface of the moon than our own seas. Fact number 2. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara, it's Antarctica. It's true, it's classified as a desert due to its low precipitation. Fact number 3. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.